All right, how's it going, Algebra 1? Mr. Walker with ya. Today's just a simple review on the distribution. We've done distribution before, but in case you've forgotten how to do it, we're going to go ahead and do it real quick. Not very many problems for us to do today, but I just want to refresh your memory. Remember, when we say distribution, we mean we take this number on the outside and we multiply it by both of the things in the parentheses. So we take 4 times x. That gets us 4x. Now we take 4 times a positive 3. Remember that positive sign goes with the 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, and that 12 is positive, so I say plus 12. And there you go. Now we go on to the next one. 5 times 2x plus 4. Once again, we take this 5, multiply it by both of these guys. 5 times 2x, multiply the numbers together. 5 times 2, that's 10, and we have an x. Now we have 5 times 4. That's a plus 20, because we have that plus sign there. Now we're going to move on to the next problems here. Let's choose green this time. Again, nothing's changing. All we're taking is these, or the 6, and multiplying by both of the numbers in the parentheses. Multiply the numbers together. 6 times 3. That's 18. And we throw an x at the end there because we have a 3x. It's not just times 3. Here we got to be careful. We have a positive 6 times a negative 5. Plug that into your calculator if you need help. But that should get you negative 30. So we say minus 30. And there's our answer right there. And now we go on to the next problem. 2 times 2x minus 7. Once again, taking that 2 out front, multiplying it by both of the guys in the parentheses. 2 times 2x, that is 4x. 2 times negative 7, negative 14. So hopefully we're okay with that so far. If you need to pause and rewind and try out some of these examples, absolutely go for it. But we are going to move on real quick. This time we have a negative out front. We have negative 4 times 2x plus 4. Let's use red this time. Why not? Once again, the method that we go about this does not change. We take that number on the outside, multiply it by both of the things on the inside. But here we have a negative to deal with. We have negative 4 times positive 2x. That's a negative 8x. Take negative 4 times positive 4 now. That is negative 16. Use a calculator if you need help. Here we've got a negative 5 times a 4x plus 4. We're going to do it the exact same way as the last one. You know what? Actually, pause the video here and give that one a whirl yourself. See what you think. Okay, hopefully you've had some time to pause the video there. I'm going to kind of breeze through this one because, again, the method doesn't change from how we solve these problems. That's a negative 20x minus 20. Because negative 5 times positive 4x is negative 20x. Negative 5 times positive 4 is minus 20. Last 2 problems. We're nearly done. Look at that. Negative 3 times 2x minus 1. Here we got to be a little bit careful again. Negative 3 times both of those guys. Negative 3 times positive 2x. Negative 6x. Negative 3 times a negative 1 now. That's a positive 3. Negative times a negative is a positive number. So in order to say positive 3, I have to say plus 3. Remember that. Negative times a negative is positive. Negative times a positive is a negative. Try out that last one real quick. Reference that first one if you need to, that negative 3 times 2x minus 1. Try out Negative 6 times 4x minus 7. Okay, hopefully you've had some time to try that one out. Negative 6 times positive 4, negative 24x. Negative 6 times negative 7, a little bit of a bigger number there. That's a positive 42. Use a calculator if you need help. Anyway, that's all I got for you. We've done this stuff before, so this shouldn't be necessarily new information for you. But keep an eyeball out on Classroom. There should be a quizzes posting pretty soon if it's not posted already. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Shoot me an email if you've got questions, and thanks for watching. See you later.